Hey, Rocky. What, Rubble? Do you want to see the coolest thing ever? What is it, Rubble? Why, I just bought it. What is it? I'll show you. Hey, Mom, when will Sarah wake up? 7 o'clock? Rocky, this is what, I have. Whoa, Rubble. What in the world is that? It's a jet. A jet? What? Rubble, you're not supposed to be buying on jets. I can. I could buy jets because I think I have lessons from Skye a few times. Oh, who has lessons from Skye? Can you show me how you can buy it? Sure. It also comes with a costume. Can you show me the costume? Sure. Ta-da! Rubble. That costume looks great. You have your helmet on, and you have your belt, and you have your earphones, and you got your safety suit. You got everything. Nice suit, nice suit. And I could fly it anywhere I want. Okay, Rubble. What? Gonna fly it. All the way up in the air. Oh. 3. Oh, seriously. Man. Wow, Rubble. What, Rocky? That was neat. Yeah, it sure was neat. Do you want to go see? But do you want to take a ride on my digger? On my car, my new car. What? Rubble, you bought a new car? You can't drive any kind of car. Like, yeah. Actually, I don't have a new car. Like, do you want to take a ride from my digger? Sure. Okay, I'll go get my digger. I'll go get my digger. Here it is, Rocky. I got the digger. Okay, can you go sideways? Sure. Rubble. I think. Can I try your digger? Huh? What is it, Rocky? Can I try your digger? Oh, sure. Wow. I got hurt. Can you go put this away? Sure. I'll sit you down. The Paw Patrol, the Paw Patrol Land. Paw Patrol. Okay. Hey Paw Patrol, come on, let's go. We are going to do a special dance. And if you have a cowboy hat, you may go get your cowboy hat and dance. If you have a cowboy hat, come to me. Rubble, Rocky, Chase, and Skye. Okay, you guys may go get a cowboy hat. I mean, your cowboy hat. I got mine. Hey, where's mine? The ones that doesn't have a cowboy hat may sing, okay? And we're gonna do a Paw Patrol band. So Rocky, Chase, Skye, Rubble, Everest, Marshall, and Everest. Ready, Paw Patrol, go! We were Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol, so fun.